I did work with this quite a lot. I did have a job massaging women's breasts. It was, I kind of laugh, it was my first healing job, my professional healing job, getting paid for healing job in a way. I massaged women's breasts for them. And very quickly it stops being sexual. It's nice, it creates a nice energy, but you are definitely working. You know, you're definitely healing and doing a healing job and working with a specific energy with the breasts, and they are relating directly to the genitalia. They balance the genitalia and they balance the heart, and obviously to do with babies, and a lot of kind of heartache is held in the breasts. Notice if you can feel those divine energies around your breasts, as if they interact with your breath, that there's a spiritual quality to your breasts that are interacting with you all the way through, but especially with the breath in the lungs and the love in the heart. Notice that they have not just a functional quality, but a spiritual and energetic quality. And as you feel your breasts, you may feel a deeper breath in your lungs. You may feel more connected to your heart. You may be able to drop down into the ovaries or testes from your breasts. Notice how they connect to the ovaries and testes. Notice how they deepen your breath. They're very functional. Also, I'm doing a free webinar this Sunday where I'll take it into a bit more depth. You can come to that free of charge. There will be a link in the description below, and if you miss it, I'll put the video of it in the description below. But if you want to work with me live, that is there this Sunday. And if you pass the date, watch it in the description. Get the link to the video there.